Almost 85% of car owners are leaving money on the table every single time they drive. Not because their car is broken, not because they're bad drivers, but because nobody ever told them what their car can actually do. And one hack on this list can save you from a repair bill that runs anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000. You'll want to stay for that one. Here are 15 car hacks you genuinely won't believe actually work. Let's begin now with hack number 15. Hack number 15, the rubber band phone mount. You're driving, your GPS is running, and your phone keeps sliding off the dash. You've tried the cup holder, the console edge, nothing holds. Here's the deal. Take 2 thick rubber bands and wrap them around your car's air vent fins, looping over and under so they form a cradle. Slide your phone's corner into that cradle against the vent. The rubber creates enough friction against both the vent slats and your phone's edge that road vibration won't shake it loose. Works best on rectangular side-facing vents, which most Honda, Toyota, and Ford models have. Here's the kicker. The vent still pushes air around the phone, so your climate control keeps working. Total cost? $0. But wait, if that simple trick just blew your mind, this next hack could save you from a real panic moment on the road. Hack number 14. The pin trick for windshield washer nozzles. Your washer fluid sprays into the air, hits the hood, or shoots past the glass entirely. You figure you need a mechanic. But here's what they don't tell you. Most washer nozzles on vehicles made before 2018, including Toyota Camrys, Honda Accords, and Ford F-150S, have a tiny adjustable ball joint inside the nozzle head. All you need is a straight pin or sewing needle. Stick it into the small hole at the center of the nozzle and tilt it the direction you want the spray to go. You'll feel a slight resistance as the ball settles. Spray and check. 2 or 3 adjustments, and the stream hits the wiper sweep zone perfectly. A dealership charges $80 to $120 for this exact service. A pin costs nothing. Here's the kicker. Do both nozzles at the same time, because one almost always drifts while you're fixing the other. You'd be very much surprised by this next one. Hack number 13. Toothpaste for foggy headlights. Your headlights are yellow and cloudy. New assemblies from a dealership run $200 to $500 each. But a tube of plain white toothpaste, non-gel, like Colgate or Crest Original, costs under $3 and does nearly the same job. The mild abrasive in toothpaste is just strong enough to buff away the UV oxidation layer on polycarbonate headlight covers. Squeeze a small amount onto a damp microfiber cloth, rub in firm circular motions for 2 minutes per headlight, then rinse with water. Studies show oxidized headlights can cut nighttime visibility by up to 80%, and that's a real safety issue. After the toothpaste treatment, apply a layer of car wax or clear nail polish to slow future oxidation. Here's the kicker. This works on foggy tail lights too, not just the front. Trust me, this next one will shock you, especially if you've ever paid a shop to handle it. Hack number 12. Use your key fob under your chin to extend its range. This sounds completely ridiculous, but researchers at multiple universities have confirmed it. If your key fob is cutting out in a large parking lot, hold it under your chin and press the button while pointing toward your car. Your skull and the fluid in your head act as a signal amplifier, pushing the fob's 315 MHz radio signal 10 to 20 extra feet. It won't double the range, but in a crowded lot when you can't spot your car, those extra feet can save you 10 minutes of wandering. Here's the kicker, holding the fob against your temple works too. Try both positions. Results vary slightly depending on your car's frequency. Hack number 11. WD-40, done right for squeaky door hinges. Most people spray WD-40 on a squeaky hinge and call it done, but the squeak comes back in 2 to 3 weeks. That's because WD-40 is a water displacer and light solvent, not a long-term lubricant. Here's how it actually works as a proper fix. Spray WD-40 into the hinge, wipe off the excess right away, then apply a thin layer of white lithium grease or petroleum jelly on top. The WD-40 breaks down the rust causing the squeak. The grease locks in the lubrication for up to 6 months. Dealerships charge $40 to $60 for this exact service. This 2-product combo costs under $8. Here's the kicker. The same method works on your hood latch, trunk hinges, and sliding door rails on minivans like the Honda Odyssey or Toyota Sienna. If you made it this far, we'd really appreciate you hitting the like button. It helps us keep making practical car tips content just like this, and it takes 1 second. Hack number 10, the tennis ball garage parking guide. Tight garage, back wall too close. Door won't close if you pull in too far. Here's the fix. Hang a tennis ball from your garage ceiling on a string so it touches your windshield exactly when your car is in the perfect parking spot. When the ball taps the glass, stop. No sensors, no chalk lines, no $30 laser guide needed. Adjust the string length during one practice pull-in, and from that point, it works automatically every time you park. Here's the kicker. 2 cars in one garage. Use 2 different colored tennis balls hanging at separate positions, one for each vehicle, so both drivers know exactly when to stop. But wait, this next one could protect your engine in a way most owners never think about. Hack number 9. The real truth about running your gas tank low. You've heard you should never drop below a quarter tank. The reason is real. The fuel pump sits inside the tank and uses gasoline to stay cool. Running on fumes pulls sediment through the pump and wears it out. Fuel pump replacements run $400 to $900 at most shops, and more on European vehicles like BMW or Mercedes. But here's what they don't tell you. On cars made after 2010 with modern sealed fuel systems, the pump is better protected and occasional low-tank driving won't immediately damage it. On vehicles older than 2010 or over 100,000 miles, that quarter tank habit is worth keeping. Here's the kicker. In winter, keeping the tank at least half full stops moisture from condensing inside and mixing with your fuel, which causes rough idling and hard cold starts. Wait until you hear about this next one. Hack number 8. A staple remover opens your key ring without tearing up your fingers. Adding a key to a tight metal ring means jamming your thumbnail under the coil until your finger gets pinched and your nail tears. Here's the fix. Use a claw-style staple remover. Bite the 2 prongs into the key ring gap, squeeze the handle, and the ring spreads open with almost no effort. Slide your key on in seconds, no pain involved. A staple remover costs about $2 at any office supply store. Here's the kicker. A small flathead screwdriver does the exact same thing. Wedge the tip into the ring gap, twist slightly, slide the key on. 30 seconds total every time. Hack number 7. A rubber band fixes a stripped interior screw. You're removing a door panel screw and the head is stripped. Your screwdriver keeps slipping and you're worried about making it worse. Here's the fix. Lay a wide rubber band flat over the stripped screw head. Press your screwdriver firmly through the rubber into the screw and turn slowly. The rubber fills in the damaged grooves and gives the driver enough grip to bite. This works on both Phillips and flathead screws about 70% of the time on lightly stripped heads. A mechanic charging $75 an hour might bill you 30 minutes of labor to extract that same screw with specialty tools. The rubber band costs nothing. Here's the kicker. If the rubber band alone isn't grabbing, add a small drop of superglue to the rubber before pressing it on. Let it set for 60 seconds, then turn. One solid shot at getting it free. You'd be very much surprised by this next one. It's on your dashboard right now and most people have never noticed it. Hack number 6. The arrow on your fuel gauge shows which side your gas cap is on. Look at your fuel gauge right now. Next to the gas pump icon, there is a small arrow pointing left or right. That arrow points to the exact side of your car where the gas cap is. Rental car, borrowed vehicle, brain fog at the pump. One glance at the dashboard tells you before you even pull up to the dispenser. This has been standard on most vehicles since around 2010, including virtually every Toyota, Honda, Ford, Chevy, and BMW made in the last 15 years. According to AAA, nearly 40% of drivers have never noticed it. Here's the kicker. In a company fleet car or rental, this one trick saves you from pulling up to the wrong side and having to back out and re-enter the lane. Hack number 5. Binder clips on your sun visor. Keep documents organized instantly. Insurance card, parking passes, toll receipts, they all get buried in the console or fall out of the visor pocket. Clip a large binder clip to the edge of your sun visor and use it as a document holder. It grips everything firmly, right where you can reach it when an officer or parking attendant asks. A box of 12 binder clips costs about $3. Here's the kicker. Clip one on each visor, driver side for documents, passenger side for sunglasses or a small notepad, and your visor is doing 2 real jobs instead of 1. Hack number 4. Clear nail polish on a windshield chip stops it from spreading. A small highway chip can turn into a full crack across your windshield within days when temperatures swing. Full replacement runs $200 to $600 depending on your car, and on vehicles like BMW or Tesla with embedded sensors, it can hit $1,000 or more. Here's what dealers won't bring up on their own. Clear nail polish applied directly into the chip seals out the moisture and debris that cause the damage to grow. Clean the chip with rubbing alcohol. Let it dry completely, then apply one thin coat of clear nail polish into the chip with the brush. Let it cure for 24 hours. The EPA has noted that temperature swings are the main driver of chip spreading because the glass contracts and expands around the weak point. Sealing it cuts that pressure. Here's the kicker. Most auto insurance policies cover professional chip repair for free or a minimal deductible, so seal the chip first with nail polish, then call your insurer before booking a shop visit. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Hack number 3. A dryer sheet removes baked-on bugs from your front bumper. After a summer road trip, your front bumper looks like a bug graveyard. Commercial bug removers from the auto parts store cost $8 to $15. But a single damp dryer sheet, the laundry kind, scrubs dried bug residue off paint and plastic bumpers without scratching the surface. The surfactants in the sheet break the bond between the dried protein and your car's paint, while the fabric stays soft enough to leave 0 scratches. Press the damp sheet against the bug spot, wait about 30 seconds, then wipe in a circular motion. One sheet handles a full bumper on most jobs. Here's the kicker. Dryer sheets also pull water spots off side windows and remove the hazy film that builds up on the inside of your windshield. One box of 40 sheets costs under $5 and handles all 3 jobs. And now, the hack that most people watching will say they wish they'd known the last time their check engine light came on. Hack number 1. Disconnecting your car battery for 15 minutes can clear a check engine light for free. Your check engine light is on. Your screen is frozen. Your push-button start is acting up. Before you take the car to a shop and pay $100 to $200 for a diagnostic scan, here's what they don't tell you. Disconnecting your car's battery for 15 minutes fully resets the vehicle's electronic control modules, the car's onboard computer, and wipes soft fault codes. These are codes triggered by a temporary glitch, a brief sensor misread, or a small voltage spike, not a real mechanical problem. Grab a 10mm wrench and loosen the negative terminal clamp, the one marked with a minus sign. Disconnect it, wait 15 full minutes for the capacitors in the system to discharge completely, then reconnect. On most Toyota, Honda, Chevy, and Ford vehicles, this clears the fault memory and gives the system a clean restart, the same way rebooting your phone fixes random software freezes. According to mechanics, roughly 30 to 40% of check engine lights are soft codes that disappear after a reset and never come back. If the light returns within a day or two, you have a real issue worth diagnosing. If it stays off, you just saved $150. Here's the kicker. After the reset, your radio presets and clock will clear, so keep your settings in mind before you disconnect. On BMW and Mercedes, the system also needs a short relearning drive of 10 to 15 minutes at normal highway speeds before everything runs at full spec again. So there you have it. 15 car hacks that actually work, and most of them cost you less than $5 or nothing at all. Which of these did you already know? Drop the number in the comments. Number 6 gets people every single time. If any of these saved you a trip to the shop, hit that like button so we know to keep making content like this. Subscribe for more practical car tips every week. No jargon, no fluff, just real stuff that works on your actual car.